Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download Roblox on PC and laptop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'll be showing you two different methods, so you can use whichever one works best for you. Let's start with the first method, which is using an internet browser. Open any browser on your computer, such as Chrome or Edge. In the search bar, type Roblox download and press enter. From the search results, click on the top website, which should say Download Roblox. Once the page opens, click on Download Windows app. After that, go to your Downloads folder from the top right corner of your browser and open the Roblox Player installer. The installer will start running automatically, and you just need to wait a few seconds while Roblox installs on your computer. Once the installation is complete, Roblox will be ready to use. Now, if you're using a Windows computer, there's another easy way to download Roblox. Open the Start menu, then search for Microsoft Store and open it. Inside the Microsoft Store, click on the search bar at the top and type Roblox. From the search results, click on Roblox, which should be the first option. Then simply click on the blue Get button to download and install it. If Roblox is already installed, you'll see an option to open it instead. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download Roblox on PC and laptop. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.